Good morning, K6. So today we're going to tell a story about a farm. Usually when I tell this story and I say that, and people see me with my ukulele and they say, Mr. Herd, I know this one. It's the story of Old MacDonald. No. Old MacDonald is a song, not a story. And so it is not the story of Old MacDonald. It is the story of Old MacDonald's neighbor. Now, let me tell you about his farm. His farm was the most happy place you could imagine. This farm was super happy. All the people there were happy. The farmer was happy. The farmer's wife was happy. The farmer's kids were happy. And so were the animals. The animals were also very happy. And the vegetables as well. Vegetables were very happy. Well, if a vegetable could be happy, then this guy's vegetables were very happy. All right? Okay. And everyone was happy because they all had jobs. They felt very proud of their jobs, and that made them feel happy. Except for one. The dog. See, the dog is laid under the tree and chewed his bone. And our box, this is not very helpful to anybody. I'm just chewing a bone. It tastes good, but it's not helping anyone. I don't feel very happy. One day the dog was looking out in the field and watching the cows. And the cows were just chewing grass and chewing some more, doing more chewing and chewing some more. And then say, moo, moo. And then at the end of the day, they'd walk back to the barn, moo, moo, moo. And then into the barn, they'd line up, and the farmer would come in and go like this. Squirt, 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 squirt. Thank you very much. And the cows went, moo, we are very proud. Moo, we made milk. Yummy. And they felt very proud and very happy. The dog looked at that and said, wait a second. That doesn't look hard. I could do that. I could be a cow. So, the very next morning, the dog decided to try to be a cow. How's that going to go? So, the dog went up to the field with the cows and started to try to eat the grass. Ugh, yuck, gross. The dog did not like that at all. And he tried to say moo, but it came out like this. And it didn't sound right at all. And at the end of the day, he went down to the barn with the cows and went and lined up with the cows. And the farmer did this. Squirt, 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 squirt. And saw the dog and said, oh, good dog. Oh, said the dog. That didn't go very well. I didn't make a good cow at all. He felt very sad. And just as he started to walk away, something even worse. The cows started to sing a mean little song. It went like this. You don't give milk, you can't say moo. It's true that you're not useful. Oh, that made the dog feel worse. The dog went under his tree and chewed his bones some more. He looked out. He was watching the chickens. Chickens. They're just over there. Their chicken place, the chicken area. And they were just like pecking seeds. off the ground, and they bark, 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 bark. At the end of the day, they went back to their coop, and they sat on these nests, and then they sat, and then the farmer's wife would come along and take the eggs. So we don't know where the eggs came from, but they were there somehow. And bloop, 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 thank you very much. And she would walk away with the eggs, and the hen would go, bark, 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 bark. We feel very proud. We made eggs. Yummy. So the dog said, whoop, I can be a chicken. That doesn't look hard. So the very next day, the dog tried to be a chicken. How's that going to go? Let's find out. Okay, so the dog tried to peck the seeds off the ground. Ow! Ow! Hurt the dog's nose. Ouch! And then the dog tried to say bark, bark, and it didn't work. It went whoop, 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 whoop. Didn't sound right at all. The chickens just laughed. And then they went, at the end of the day, the chickens went back to their coop, and the dog went too, and the dog didn't see a nest, so he tried to make one. It didn't work very well, so he sat down, and he waited, and waited. No eggs. The farmer's wife came along, and she took all the eggs from the hens. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And the hens felt very proud, and the farmer's wife saw the dog at the end of the row and went, good dog. Oh, that didn't work either. I didn't make a good chicken. Oh. He went back towards his tree to chew his bone, and the animals sang their little song again. You don't give milk, you can't say moo. You don't give eggs, you can't say pop. It's true that you're not useful. Oh. The dog sat under his tree again. Oh, no. Oh, he looked up just enough to see the sheep. There were the sheep. They were up there eating grass and flowers and baying ba, ba, ba. They go back to the barn at the end of the day, and every couple of weeks, this farmer would go along and give them a haircut. Bzz, bzz, bzz. Dog said, that can't be hard. I could be a sheep. I got haircuts before. No problem. Okay, so the next morning, the dog is going to try to be a sheep. How's that going to go? Yeah. Okay, so the dog went up and he tried eating. No, he already knew the grass didn't taste good, so he didn't even try that. Then he tried to say ba, but it didn't work very well either. And he tried to go back to the barn at the end of the day for haircut time. And the farmer went along, went bzzz, 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 took the wool, said thank you very much, and he saw the dog and went, whoop. Good dog. Give him a pat on the head. Oh, didn't work very well. I make a good sheep. I tried to be a cow and that didn't work. I tried to be a chicken and that didn't work. And then I was a sheep and that didn't work. I'm running out of animals. I'm stuck being a dog. And being a dog is boring. I just chew a bone, and being a dog means I'm not helpful. The dog looked up and he saw something come out of the woods, and then he listened. There was a huge commotion. That's a lot of noise. Ready? The cows are going moo. The chickens are going bah, 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 bah. The sheep are running around bah, bah, bah. And the farmer's coming running, and the farmer's kids were running around. The farmer's wife came too, and everyone was running around, and the dog running towards the trouble. And he looked. There was a wolf. And the dog, before the dog even thought anything, he suddenly went and knew what to do. And he went up to that wolf and he said, "Leave my friends alone." The wolf was terrified. The wolf went, "Oh my goodness," and ran away. Disappeared. Now, how the animals feel now? They felt very happy, and the dog felt very proud. And they sang a little song again, but now the song, of course, was different. You don't give milk, but that's okay. You don't give wool, but we don't care. You don't give eggs, that's only fair. But you're barking, I'll be outdone. You're not afraid of anyone. It's true that you are useful.